when I'm missing the spark of life from the music, that's when it becomes sound only, and we are talking about in parameters like frequency response and is it correct, not correct, does it have this, does it lack in that, etc. That's when you make a laundry list out of your audio system. And when there's that spark of life in it, that's when you don't even think that you are listening to a stereo, you are just thinking about the music, and you are fully present when you hear what you hear, and that becomes your reality, and it inspires you, heals you, and gives you ideas. So I hope this is really helpful for everyone. So there's no prepackaged solutions, and each and every time you have to experiment for yourself and try things out. What is it that works with you currently? And when you change anything in your system, like you do a major change, like changing your amplifier or changing rooms, then it's a good idea to revisit. Do I need a Zobel? Or if I have a Zobel, do I need to take it out? Or to make it a lighter, a different Zobel, like a smaller capacitor, higher resistor, or change the values? Or if you have a resistor network, do I need to adjust the resistor network? Because the amplifier does not need to drive the loudspeaker in a vacuum. So the impedance of the loudspeaker is not a set thing. But when you put the loudspeaker in different rooms, then it will behave differently. So its impedance will be different based on the room. So the curves that you can measure will be different when you put it in a very different room, or even in the same room. You just rearrange, put it into a different place, or you put in a lot of extra furniture, you change the dampening, you change the acoustics of the room a lot, then it's quite likely that the needs for that loudspeaker, how it wants itself to be driven by the amplifier, will change as well. So thank you for listening, and I know this is Easter, I hear the rooster outside. Happy Easter for everyone, and find yourself a chocolate bunny or a chocolate, chocolate egg that the chocolate bunny brings. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.